What is up, everyone? It is me, Rich in Stocks, again, back with another video. In this video, I am going to explain exactly step by step how to stake cryptocurrency so you can earn passive income while you sleep, eat, work, do whatever you're gonna do. This is how you earn passive income. You can earn 85% per year completely passively. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it step by step. If you enjoy any content on this page, like, comment, subscribe down below. It means a lot. Let's get right into the video, guys. So there's gonna be a link in my YouTube description to open up a Binance account, because you're gonna need a Binance account to buy BNB. So creating a Binance account is very easy. You, again, just click the link down below. You'll just need an email, password, and you'll have the referral ID, and you'll get an extra 5% kickback as a commission. And then once you have these filled out, create your account. As soon as your account is created, here's my account right now. You just go to wallet, click overview, and it'll bring you right to your wallet. If you need to buy BNB. Now you can, some people just link their credit card here, but mine for some reason doesn't work. So what I do is I go over to another crypto wallet called Newton. This is one of my other favorite ones I have. You can't buy BNB on here, but you can buy a lot of other coins. I'll have a link for this in the description as well. If you invest $100 into any of these coins, you get 25 bucks for free. So let's show you how to do that. So all you have to do is click on add funds, do via Interact e-transfer. It's just the easiest way. And then say you wanted to do $100, so you can get your $25 for free. You just say $100, it'll send it to your email address, and boom, it'll be sent straight to your email address, and you can send funds to Newton. As soon as your money is in here, I'm Canadian, so right here it says CAD, but if you're American, it'll say USD. You just want to swap your funds over to XRP, which is the cheapest and easiest currency to do it with. So you just go on the right here and click on trade, and then you'd want to say CAD, or your currency, and you want to say 4, and you want to scroll down to Ripple XRP, and then you'd want to do however much you have. So you do max. So you'll have probably 125 bucks. If you do 100, you'll get your $25 for free. So say you do $125, which would be around, wait for it to refresh. It was around 87 XRP. I don't know why it's saying 8. If it was $125, yeah, there we go, 88 XRP. Then you say review, trade, and confirm, and boom, XRP is in your account. From there, you just click on your, or you want to click on withdraw, which is on the right side right here. Click on withdraw, crypto to wallet. And then you'd want to say XRP, so you'd want to click on max, however much XRP you have. Then in the transfer address and tag, you just go over here to Binance, click on deposit, crypto deposit. And from coins, you just want to search XRP. Click on the very first one that pops up. And then network, XRP. Click OK. And then this address, you copy this address, put it here. Copy this memo or the tag and paste it here. Review, withdraw, confirm. Simple as that. XRP will be sent to your Binance account probably within 30 seconds to a minute. XRP is extremely fast and it's very, very cheap. You'll probably pay less than a penny to do a transaction. So as soon as XRP is in your account, you go over to wallet, click on overview again. And then you actually at the top here, you want to click trade, convert, and then you'd want to say XRP. So you'd want to search XRP. You want to convert it to BNB and click max, confirm. You'll have BNB in your account. Simple as that. It may sound really confusing, but it's really, really simple, and it'll be very, very fast to get these funds into your account. As soon as the BNB is in your wallet here, you'll want to download an app called Trust Wallet. It's actually affiliated with Binance. So what you do is click withdraw. You'd want to select BNB. And then in the address here, I'm going to open up my phone, and I'll also put it up on the side here so I can show you guys exactly what it looks like on the screen. And you just go over to the Play Store or App Store, and you just search Trust Wallet right here. So I can just search Trust Wallet. I search Trust, the first thing that pops up. Trust Wallet here, you just click install and open. I'm going to exit out of my Binance here. So right here is my Trust Wallet homepage. Ignore every coin that's in here. All you want to focus on is the BNB. And if it's not there, if BNB is not in this section, you just go on the top right and click the little button there, and then search for BNB, and then make sure it's activated. And along with Smart Chain, make sure that is activated as well. And you just click on BNB, click on receive, And then right here for the address, you would just copy this address and put it right into the Binance section right here. You copy that Trust Wallet address you have on your phone. So you can probably do it all within the app, which would probably be easier, all on your phone. And then it'll autofill the address, and you just say however much BNB you want to send, which would probably be all of it, straight to your Trust Wallet. It'll take it'll be very short, maybe about 5-10 minutes, if that. As soon as that is received and you have those funds into your Trust Wallet, right? Go back here and you say, it doesn't say 0 BNB, it says 0.1 or however much you have in there. You want to click on the 3 dots or more section, and then at the bottom you want to say swap to smart chain. Click 100% and swap, which will swap all of your BNB to the Binance smart chain, which allows you to do staking. So as soon as you have smart chain, which I actually have right here, it's the top one, smart chain, $61.31. Just on the bottom, you want to click on D apps. Scroll down, you want to click on Pancake Swap. Once you're on the website here, it'll bring you right to the exchange, which is right where you want to be. Click on select a currency and you want to type in cake. Click on the very first one that pops up and then click max on your BNB, and it'll swap however much BNB you have into cake. And right now I have 0.1 BNB, which is like $61, and it'll put that into cake, which is about 2.1 cake. You just click swap and boom, you'll have cake in your wallet. So as soon as you have cake into your wallet, you want to click on the top left, those 3 bars, and you want to click on pools. That's the only thing right here you want to click on. And then right on the top, you see auto cake, which is the first option that's on this list. You want to click on that. And then there'll be a little enable button here. I'll show you on when I haven't activated yet. So you'll see enable pool. You want to click on enable and then approve. And it costs 11 cents to start the pool, which is nothing. Once you start the pool, you can click on the plus icon, and then you can choose how much you want to put into the pool. I have no cake right now, so it'll say I have nothing to put in, but you just choose how much you want to stake, and that's it. As soon as you have your funds staked in that pool, that is all you have to do. Sit back, collect passive income. Now to elaborate on that 85% interest that it is claiming it's going to give you. So I'm going to go over here to the compound interest calculator. So let's say you started with $125, which is how much you would get if you did Newton. So if you put $100 in, it'll give you $25 referral, and you invest that $125 into BNB. It's about an 85% interest rate. Let's say you stake it for 10 years, compounds every single year, $125. You will earn $58,000 in 10 years from $125. That's it, completely passive. It may not seem like that much, but $125 to $58,000 is insane. And you're gonna earn this $58,000 completely passively. As soon as you put your $125 in that pool, that's all you have to do. You will earn that $58,000 in 10 years, no matter what. Like, you are going to get that money. It is yours. Now, let's say you're feeling a little bit ambitious, right? Let's say you wanted to put $1,000 in this pool. Let's see how much that would be worth in 10 years. $469,000. After you put the $1,000 in the pool, you leave it there for 10 years, you do not touch it, $469,000 in 10 years. That is crazy, guys. Crazy return. Now let's bring up a calculator and calculate average how much that would be per year. So let's go 469,588.32 divided by 10 years. That's about almost $47,000 a year doing nothing. That is crazy. Of a $1,000 investment. That is a really, really good ROI, in my opinion. A $469,000 return off a $1,000 investment is really, really good. I haven't really found anything else that can provide this good of value unless it's AI marketing, which I made a video about that previously. But this is a complete passive $469,000 you can earn off a $1,000 investment, which I've put in on Cake myself. So I believe in this going up long term, which is why I've invested a decent amount of money into Cake so I can earn some decent passive income. So if you guys have any questions on how to set this up, just leave a comment down below. Maybe message me on TikTok because I can try and get back to you on there. But YouTube comments would be the easiest for me to get back to you on, and I can help you guys out no matter what kind of questions you have. So if you liked the video, drop a like, maybe subscribe. I'll post a lot more content on how you guys can make more money in your sleep, completely passive crypto stock content. If that's what you like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Happy investing.